go back to the camera. I'm looking a little oily. We're just gonna ignore that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little bit different of a video. If you know me personally, and if you know me here and also on TikTok, I have something in my tooth. Hold on. If you know me, maybe you don't. I get a lot of my bags from a special place that we don't talk about. I was reached out to by a company, by someone that wanted to send me a bag for review, so that is what we're going to do today. So if you don't like that, then get off the channel. I don't know what to tell you at this point. So with that being said, okay. Here's the tea. Okay, people feel the way they feel about luxury. I talked about it in my previous podcast episode. I will link it down below. That a lot of the bags that you buy from your famous luxury retailers, we already know who they are, I'm not going to name them, are getting their supply from the same place that we're getting stuff from the gate, basically, or getting from other sellers that get their supply from the same place, which is China. And honestly, I don't think there's anything wrong with that, but I think that it's kind of funny that some of the veil is coming off. And I've had someone argue with me in the comments being like, well, just because they say it on TikTok doesn't make it true. Well, maybe it doesn't make it true, but it seems pretty true, and I've kind of felt that from the beginning. I just have to share this because it is so good. It is so good, you guys. I just can't. It is so good. I've actually been wanting this bag. This recently came out on their site, and I wasn't about to spend that money on it, and I saw this and they reached out to me and wanted to send me something. I was really excited because they had it. The Speedy is my favorite bag. First of all, here's part of the packaging. Beautiful. And I already ripped this open, so no clean unboxing, but look at her. Just look at her. Take a moment. This is a Speedy 30. I will put the correct name of it right here. She is absolutely gorgeous. Really great quality, honestly. And I'm someone that throws my bags around. The inside is all black. There is a little zipper pocket on that side, and then on the other side there is a little tiny pocket as well. Oh wow, that goes actually pretty deep. That's what she said. Millennials, hi. I absolutely love it. I love all the charms that come with it. It comes with a little luggage tag with this little tassel, which I kind of tried to dress it like the picture just because that's the way that I saw it. That's how I like it. And then it came with this little bag charm, which you could even see the detailing on there. It is so pretty. Just I can't even get it to focus, but it's so pretty. Obviously, you can wear her on your arm. That's kind of how I typically wear my bag, especially when I don't have my son. But it also came with this strap, which I know has become really popular. A certain designer has been selling this with Speedies with this, and everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's so ugly, but I think it's ingenious. Why didn't I think of wearing it as a shoulder bag? 10 out of 10 quality. I have no complaints about this whatsoever. Low-key also feel like Trisha Paytas right now when she used to do her luxury bag reviews. Anyways, it comes with a whole bunch of packaging. I just wanted to show you guys because it was wrapped really well, and it does come in a little dust bag. So yeah, I ripped into this, you guys. So I was like, ah! And also it does come with a lock and key, which is on the top. I didn't even show you guys that, but it does have a little lock, and it does come with a key, but I just threw the key in the bag because I don't really use them personally, so that's me. Of course, the little dust bag, it has all the information on there, and it also had a little strap on handle as well, and then it also comes with all this information, the receipts and stuff like that. You know, so it comes with everything. Came packaged really well. I was kind of confused when I got it. I was like, oh, I've never, because usually if you buy something, well, it depends. Usually sometimes if you buy stuff from the gate, it comes either with a dust bag, or it comes just how it is in a bag, or it comes in a box, and I'm really impressed. It came in this nice big box, and it was just packaged really nice, and I have no complaints whatsoever. I don't know what it is too. I just love the black with the brown. It just looks really nice and clean, and also a little dark and not so out there for winter months, or if I want to feel like wearing a bag that's not so stand out. And I know it has the logo everywhere, so hello Sam, you're gonna stand out, but it just gives it a nice little mysterious vibe. I don't know. I just really love the black accents on this Speedy, and I'm so excited to use this. So thank you so much again. I will link the company down below and all of their information if you guys want to get a bag. And also if you use my code, I have a code, SR30, you get $30 off. And yeah, that's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this little review. I know it's a little different than my typical content, but I do love bags, and I do believe in getting something and not having to pay thousands and thousands of dollars, because we are not in that economy anymore, especially. We're not going to go there. Okay, but anyways, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so when I post a new video. And next time I will fix my face. I never realize how oily I am until I start filming. It's great. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.